As with any pet health trend, there's always a lot of information floating around on the internet. And the same goes for CBD oil for dogs. It can be tricky to navigate, though, what is accurate and what is an over-exaggeration. One of the biggest issues surrounding CBD oil for your pooch is that it is still unregulated, which means that many dog owners may be getting ripped off. Of course, you want to do what's best for your pup, which leads to the question, what do I need to know about CBD oil for my dog? We're going to cover everything you need to know about CBD oil for dogs, including all the benefits, potential side effects, and things to be aware of. What is CBD oil? CBD is one of the main cannabinoids of the cannabis or hemp plant. CBD does not contain THC, which is the compound that gives marijuana its psychoactive properties. In fact, most cannabis oil is derived from hemp and not marijuana. What does CBD oil do for dogs? The endocannabinoid system in a dog's body works as the messenger system to help regulate sleep, pain, immune response, appetite, and metabolism. When a dog is given CBD oil, it impacts the activity of the endocannabinoid system and stimulates the immune, digestive, and nervous systems, as well as the brain. The reason it does this is because the compounds in CBD oil are very similar to the ones found in your dog's body. While there is no definitive scientific data on using CBD oil to treat your pooch, there is anecdotal evidence from dog owners suggesting that CBD is a useful therapy for treating pain, anxiety, arthritis, seizures, and potentially even cancer. Here are 6 ways that CBD oil can be used to help your dog. Number 1. CBD oil helps dogs with joint problems. Many of the prescribed medications for joint pain could have negative side effects on your dog's liver or kidneys, and often it's not actually effective. CBD oil is a natural anti-inflammatory that works without causing any harmful effects on the body. CBD helps with joint pain by binding to the CB1 receptors in the brain. The CB1 receptors are responsible for changing how the brain responds to pain and stimulating the immune system to reduce inflammation. CBD oil also works by binding with the CB2 receptors that are found in the immune and nervous systems. Binding with the CB2 receptors causes the body to produce more natural cannabinoids, which reduces pain and inflammation even more. Number 2. CBD oil helps dogs with cancer. Cancer is a major health issue for older dogs, and chemotherapy or radiation is not always a viable option. CBD oil has been extensively researched as a natural cancer-fighting therapy. Some studies have shown that cancer cells become more receptive to treatment when using CBD oil. Other studies suggest that CBD oil kills the cancer cells by blocking their ability to produce energy and stimulates the immune system to produce killer cells that cause the cancer cells to die. Besides CBD oil affecting the cancer cells, it also eases the nausea and pain following chemotherapy or radiation treatments. Number 3. CBD oil helps dogs suffering from epilepsy and seizures. If your dog suffers from epilepsy, it can be terrifying for them and for you. Most vets treat seizures and epilepsy with anti-epileptic drugs, which, like pain medication, could negatively impact your dog's liver and kidneys. These anti-epileptic medications don't always work either. CBD oil has been shown to reduce the frequency and severity of seizures because it interacts with the endocannabinoid system. Researchers have found that using CBD oil for the treatment of epilepsy in dogs reduces seizures by 89%. Number 4. CBD oil helps dogs suffering from anxiety. Anxiety is one of the primary reasons dog owners turn to CBD oil. Anxiety appears in different forms, including noise phobia, separation anxiety, fear, and aggression. Researchers are not entirely sure how CBD relieves anxiety, but it is believed that the oil helps to regulate serotonin levels, which impact the dog's mood, digestion, appetite, sleep, and social behavior. CBD oil works quickly when given directly by mouth when your pup is stressed by environmental factors like fireworks or guests in the house. It can also be given to your dog daily if they are prone to stress. Number 5. CBD oil helps dogs in pain. CBD oil works well for all types of pain without the unwanted side effects of conventional pain medication. CBD oil can be used to treat arthritis, chronic pain and inflammation, injuries, or post-surgery healing. CBD also works to relieve any symptoms caused by the pain, like nausea, restlessness, or loss of appetite. Number 6. CBD oil helps dogs with allergies. Unfortunately, allergies are one of the leading reasons dogs are euthanized because they are difficult to treat. Allergies in dogs are also on the rise, especially skin conditions. Fortunately, CBD oil can help with allergies because the endocannabinoid system is also found in your dog's skin. This means that CBD can help relieve irritated and itchy skin to promote new skin cell growth. CBD can be given to your pooch internally or applied to the affected area through a cream. Possible side effects of CBD in dogs. Not much research is available when it comes to CBD oil in dogs, so the side effects are based on how CBD affects humans. Some of the side effects include dry mouth. Research has shown that consumption of CBD can decrease saliva production. For dogs, this would manifest as increased thirst. Lowered blood pressure. High doses of CBD oil have been shown to cause a temporary drop in blood pressure. Even though this drop is small, it causes a brief feeling of lightheadedness or dizziness. Drowsiness. The calming effects of CBD oil can cause slight drowsiness, especially when given to a dog in higher doses. To minimize any possible side effects, make sure you follow the proper dosage. Risks of using CBD oil for dogs. The safety and risks regarding CBD for dogs have not yet been thoroughly researched. The FDA has not approved CBD for treatment and has not issued any sort of dosing charts. Therefore, it is not known what size dosage could potentially be toxic. However, every medication or supplement, even a natural one, carries the risk of a reaction. It is always advisable to start giving your dog a small amount while closely monitoring the effects. From there, you can build up gradually until you reach the recommended dose. Remember to also always check with your veterinarian first. How to choose the best CBD oil for your dog. If after consulting with your veterinarian, you decide that the best course of action is to try CBD as a treatment for your pooch, there are several things to keep in mind before you purchase anything. Not all oils are the same, and you want to be sure you're buying a high-quality CBD oil to have a higher chance of it working. Here are a few pointers to get you started. Look for something organic. If the CBD is not organic, it could contain solvents, pesticides, or fungicides. Don't only make your decision based on price. Higher quality and purity are typically associated with a higher cost, while a cheaper product could contain potentially toxic substances. High-quality CBD oils should be free of any additives. Make sure to get the analysis of the product. The manufacturer should be able to provide you with a certificate that verifies the amount of CBD in the product. Many products on the market only contain small amounts of CBD, but you need to find one with a higher concentration. You also want to certify that the product has little to no THC. It is okay for the product to contain CBC, cannabichromene, or CBG, cannabigerol, as these are other important cannabinoids that occur naturally. Purchase your CBD oil as a liquid. While there are treats, food, and other products containing CBD, the best way to administer the CBD is using an oil or tincture. This way you can adjust the dosage drop by drop. CBD oil is natural and safe and can help your pooch with all sorts of issues. While the use of CBD for dogs is still considered very alternative, there is a lot of positive feedback from dog owners who have tried and love it.